Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we are trading US dollar versus Swiss franc, in which we will grow the account with proper risk management, which we always do. You will learn a lot from this video. If you like the video, then please like it. See you guys after applying trade. Guys, we are running a loss here right now. I have $3,801 in my account, which I will try to double. If we suffer losses here, losses are part of the game.
A few moments later.
Nice guys, here we have reached profit, which is above $100. We will grow it further. As we progress in analysis, our profit will also increase, because we have applied the trade at the right place. Now let me explain the market trend to you so that you can understand the market pattern well. Here the market trend was sideways, but the previous trend was uptrend. Now the market is following the uptrend again. Now let us create a consolidation pattern. At this level the market has created resistance points many times, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed at this level. For this reason, a strong resistance level has been created here. All the points here are important because these points have created a consolidation zone. Such strong patterns are sometimes created in the market where we can generate good profits. At this level you would be seeing an upward breakout. After the first breakout the market tried to come into the consolidation zone, but the strength of the bulls took the market up, and now it has retested this level and started moving upwards. Now we will draw another level below, which is a strong support level. At this level the market has created multiple support points here. The market has reacted the same which was done at the resistance level, due to which the market has repeatedly reversed upwards at this level. Here we will see the market rotating in the same zone which was in the consolidation zone for 8 days, but now the market has come out of this consolidation zone, where we have taken entry. Now we will create consolidation zone with arrows. The market started creating a consolidation zone from here where the market moved in this zone. A lot of opportunity was created at this place. Here we could apply buy trade at support level and sell trade at resistance level. Now only buying opportunity has been created here. Our analysis work has been completed here. You must be understanding the market pattern very well, and we can trade well on such patterns. Now we have to apply stop loss and target point, which should be at the right place. Only then we can manage the trade well. Here my stop loss will be below the strong resistance level, which is 14 pips below. If the market goes back to the consolidation zone, our stop loss will be hit, and the target point will be 28 pips above where the market has not gone yet. If the market follows the strong uptrend, then our target will definitely be hit. Guys, we are making a good profit here, which is above $1,000. The market starts moving in our direction. I apply stop loss and target point. Guys, all our work here has been completed and our profit is increasing. Now we have to remain patient in the trade. Only then we can achieve our target. There is no flaw in our analysis here, as we have drawn the levels as the market moved. We have kept the analysis simple because simple is best. The market always creates the same patterns again and again. We have to recognize that pattern and find good trade opportunities there. Finally, our target has been hit. The market moved in our direction as we analyzed here. Our analysis was right, so that we can reach our target. Whenever a consolidation zone is created in the market, a very good buying and selling opportunity is created there, which we can take advantage of. The market came near the target after applying our trade, but after getting rejection there, the market came down. Our target point was here, which was just hit. We saw up and down movement in the market, but we remained in the trade and did not close the trade in between. There is always a lot of psychology required in trading, which most of the traders ignore. The market has created a resistance level at this level, but the market is now breaking this level. The market can go above here, so now we close the trade. Guys, our profit here is around $4,900. We had $3,801 in this account, which has now become $9,000. we have grown the account with proper risk management. You too can easily generate profits with such price action patterns, for which you will have to be disciplined. If you liked this video, then please like it. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe. See you in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.